bright up in the sky. Yes? I have a lovely song to sing. I want you to join with me. It's a small song. The sun is shining bright up in the sky. How have you ever been so high? The sun is shining bright up. The sun is shining bright up. The sun is shining bright up in the sky. Can you see the sun? It's glowing and it's a bright sunny morning, isn't it? Now, slowly and gradually, you will see the sun setting. You will see the sun setting. You will see the sun. Okay. Now, it is the night time. It is the night time, and you can see the stars twinkling in the sky and a bright moon. We all know this poem. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. So children, can you see the stars twinkling in the sky?
Yes.
And the bright moon? Okay. Now, I would like to tell you all the two main source of light. That is the natural source of light and the artificial source of light. We have three natural source of light. One is the sun. The sun produces its own light. It is the natural source of light. The second are the stars. Can you see the bright stars? The stars are the natural source of light. And the third is the glowworm. Can you see the glowworm? I could not get the real one. But if I get, I will definitely show you all children. So the glowfly or the glowworm produces, it's a natural source of light. And children, I want to tell you all a very important thing. Can you see this moon?
Yes.
The moon is shining bright. But always remember, the moon does not produce its own light. The moon gets its light from the sun. When the rays of the sun falls on the moon, the shadow reflects on the earth, and that's how the moon gets its light from the sun, children. Okay, so the main and the natural source of light are the sun, the stars and the glowfly. And now we will see some of the artificial sources of light. Artificial sources of light means the man-made sources of the light. Can you see this?
Yes, teacher. It's a torch, teacher.
What is this?
Torch.
You'll have seen your dad, your mom. Yes. You know, when you have it in the house. Okay, yes, we even have it in the phone. We have it in our phone. We have the torch light in our phone. When the electricity goes away or when the current doesn't be, we immediately think of a torch. Don't we? We immediately think of the torch and we on the torch. And then we have the, can you see this? What is this? This is the bulb. This is the bulb. When we want the light from the bulb, we have to switch on. When we switch on, the light produces in the bulb. And when we switch off, the light goes away. It is into dark. Then, children, do you know what is this?
Candle.
Have you all seen Mama putting it on the cake during your birthdays?
Yes.
During birthdays, have you all seen
Yes,
Mama putting it on the
teacher.
cake? Yes. Today, I am not lighting it and showing you all since we are in the class. I don't want to flame it up. But at home, when Mama lights up the candle, you all will blow it off. And see this. When the flame is there, the light is being produced, and when you blow off the candle, the light goes away. So this is a man-made, this is not a natural source of light. Even candle is a man-made source of light, children. Even candle is a man-made source of light. Okay. So we saw some of the natural sources of light and we saw some of the man-made sources of light. Now I would like some of my colleagues to come, my children to come and tell me give me some examples of natural sources of light and man-made sources of light. Yes, Bhakti ma'am, can you come?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, you can see this.
Namaste.
Namaste. How are you, Bhakti?
I'm fine, teacher. How are
Okay,
you?
I'm fine. Can you see the stars?
Wow, yes, it's so pretty.
Okay, tell me, Bhakti, is this a natural source of light or an artificial source of light?
Stars are natural.
Yes, stars are natural. And the moon, Bhakti?
Yeah, remember you said important things. Moon doesn't have its
Oh,
own
light. From where does moon get its light?
Sun rays.
From the sun rays. It is a artificial source of light. Okay, Pushpa ma'am, can you come? Can you give me one example of an artificial source of light?
Artificial source of light, teacher. Light.
Yes, the
switch
tube
on.
light. Why?
Because I have to switch on the button, only then the light.
Then the light will
Oh.
produce. And when you will switch it off, what will happen?
It goes off.
It
Dark.
becomes dark.
Teacher, can I look at this picture? Can I show them this picture?
Yes.
This is the artificial source of light.
Correct.
It's a bulb, teacher.
Exactly. Okay. Any one of you can tell me one artificial source of light? Correct. Wow. See, Pratika ma'am has told it's a torch. Torch is a artificial source of light. Exactly. Okay. So children, today we saw how we get the light during the daytime and how we get light during the night time. And we have seen what are the different sources of light, the natural source of light and the artificial source of light. Thank you. Okay, ma'am.